Have you ever started planning a vacation and ended up with more questions than answers? Between flights, hotels, activities, restaurants, and everyone's opinions, a fun trip can turn into a full-time project. That is why AI trip planners are so useful for travelers who want help without the headache. I am Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, we will look at 5 AI trip planners that can help streamline your next vacation. We will cover what each one does well, where it falls short, and which traveler it may fit. Let's get started. First up is Jotform Travel Plan AI Agent, which is best for travelers who want a low-hassle, conversation-driven planning experience. Jotform may be known for forms, polls, and quizzes, but it now also offers customizable AI agents that can help with tasks like trip planning. The travel agent feels more like a friendly digital concierge. What makes Jotform stand out is how easy and natural it feels to use. The agent asks about your destination, budget, travel dates, preferred pace, and whether you are more interested in beaches, museums, or something else. The experience is conversational and simple, with full itineraries, activity ideas, hotel and flight options, shareable plans, and templates all part of the same interface. Another strength is that the tool keeps the plan realistic. Jotform's agent works well with the information you give it and builds around your actual needs, instead of assuming every trip is a luxury vacation. Jotform keeps everything in one easy interface, so you do not have to switch between tabs just to build a basic schedule. It is designed a bit more for travel companies that want to create AI agents for customers. Even so, it can still be a strong option for travelers who want a clean, human-feeling planning experience. Next is MindTrip, which is best for travelers who like in-depth itinerary ideas and a more visual planning process. Getting started is simple because you can go straight into a chat interface and describe the trip you want. The planner turns your request into a day-by-day plan. MindTrip can suggest where to eat, what to do, and what to see along the way. It also includes links to relevant sources, which makes it easier to explore the suggestions. One of its biggest advantages is the map view, which shows where hotels, restaurants, and attractions are located in relation to each other. That map can help you avoid a trip that looks good on paper but makes no sense geographically. You can scroll through options and add them to your plan, almost like building a visual board for your vacation. MindTrip also lets you print the plan or access it in calendar format, depending on how you like to organize travel details. The main downside is that MindTrip can struggle with nuance. It may not handle a request that includes multiple conditions well. For example, if you want a hotel near public transportation and within a certain budget, it may struggle. Still, for visual travelers who want detailed itinerary ideas, it is a strong planning tool. The third tool is Layla, which is best for quick itinerary planning with minimal setup. Layla feels less like a formal travel platform and more like a friend who knows a lot about destinations around the world. That friendly style works well for early trip planning. Using Layla is simple because you can type in a goal, such as planning a hiking trip or a weekend getaway, and the chatbot responds with ideas. The back and forth feels casual, encouraging, and easy to follow. Layla can suggest neighborhoods, museums, tours, and local safety tips, which makes it especially helpful when you want cultural context or destination inspiration. The limitation is that Layla does not offer maps and has fewer visual planning features. For travelers who need to see everything laid out geographically, that may be a drawback. Still, with fast recommendations, an itinerary creator, and booking support, Layla is helpful for brainstorming and shaping a trip. Next is WonderPlan, which is best for budget-conscious travelers who want fast, structured plans. This tool is a good fit when you want a basic itinerary quickly and do not want to spend much time chatting back and forth. It asks for your trip length, travel style, and budget, then gets right to work. WonderPlan can suggest places to stay, activities to try, and attractions to visit. It can also give you a sense of costs for lodging and transportation, along with links to places worth checking out. Another useful detail is that it can estimate how much time you may want to set aside for certain attractions. The results are organized by day, which makes the itinerary easy to scan and edit. You can export or adjust the plan from there, so the experience feels efficient and practical. It is less like a conversation and more like getting your travel homework done quickly. The trade-off is that WonderPlan may not feel as customized when you want something unusual. If you're looking for fewer touristy stops, more local experiences, or ideas outside the usual recommendations, the results can feel a little predictable. There is also no chatbot to keep refining the plan in a natural conversation. The fifth tool is Google Gemini, which is best for travelers already using Google services who want AI-backed suggestions in a familiar interface. Gemini is not technically a standalone AI travel assistant, but it can still help pull together trip ideas and pricing insights. It also connects naturally with Google Search and Google Maps. When asked to help plan a trip, Gemini can suggest the best time to visit, how long to stay, and which attractions to consider. It can also ask follow-up questions about your interests, budget, and travel dates, so the recommendations become more useful. Gemini also makes it easier to save places to Google Maps or copy a plan into Google Docs. The main limitation is that Gemini does not give you one unified planner view. There is no single dedicated interface where the whole trip is laid out and easy to adjust dynamically. Instead, you may need to piece things together manually using Maps, Gmail, Docs, and other Google tools. Choosing the right AI trip planner depends on how you like to travel. If you're planning with a group or a family, a shareable option like Jotform can help everyone stay aligned. If budget is your biggest concern, WonderPlan and Gemini may help because they can quickly guide you toward practical options. If you're a visual thinker who wants detailed ideas and map-based planning, MindTrip is a strong choice. If you want inspiration, cultural guidance, and a friendly conversation more than a structured planner, Layla may be the better fit. The best approach is to try a travel prompt in a couple of tools and see which one matches your style. There is no single perfect AI trip planner for every traveler. Some tools are better for structure, some are better for conversation, and some are better for visuals. If you're looking for a simple, conversation-focused experience that feels natural and helpful, Jotform's Travel Plan AI agent is definitely worth trying. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and I hope this helps you find an AI trip planner that fits your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.